Second one I want to provide is YouTube. Video content is king. It's a fantastic way to drive your target traffic to your affiliate offers. Creating informative, engaging, and relevant videos in your niche can also position as an expert. Share tips, tutorials, insights related to your affiliate products. But don't forget, if you make a YouTube channel, make it about a passion. My passion is iPhones. I know a lot of iPhones, so my channel is about iPhones, but it's also about making money online and affiliate marketing and how you can attract the right people and how you can drive free traffic. It's a source of everything. It's the secret sauce. Always provide a clear call to action. That's very important. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe on your channel. This engagement signals to your YouTube that your content is value, increasing its reach. And speak of subscribing, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. That's very important. You can see my channel over here, and you can see I have a lot of movies. Watch it. And it's our movies about the iPhone, but there are also movies about making money online. I make a good sauce of it, so I use them both. My passion is iPhones. What is your passion? Let me know. Maybe I can help you. Book a conversation. There's also a link in the subscription of this movie where you can book a conversation with me, so we can talk about your passion, your goals, your future, your dreams, everything. So please let me know what you want. Remember, the key to success is providing value, building relationships, and consistency engaging with your audience. So put this strategy into action and watch the flood of target visitors transform to your affiliate offers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for tuning in on my YouTube channel, Jessica Konijn, and watching this movie. See you next time.